The power of 2 cloves. 1. Daily defense. 2 cloves a day keep many ailments at bay. 2. Immune boost. Enhance your body's natural armor against illness. 3. Oral health. Cloves combat bacteria, promoting dental hygiene. 4. Digestive aid. Ease discomfort and support healthy digestion. 5. Antioxidant rich. Fight free radicals and promote cell health. 6. Anti-inflammatory. Soothe inflammation throughout the body. 7. Mood elevator. Lift spirits with the aromatic essence of cloves. 8. Blood sugar balance. Support stable glucose levels with regular consumption.